Let's go back.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here today. How's everybody doing? In this video, I'm participating in, guess what, another challenge. And this challenge is called Something for All Seasons, and it's being hosted by Inspired Living with Kristi and Pretty.simple.sherri. And what they're doing this challenge every quarter. This is my first time being able to participate. And for this season, of course, this is the fall season. They ask you to do anything fall related, just whatever you want to do that's pertaining to fall. And since my channel is focused on saving money, I'm going to be doing a budget-friendly DIY. And what I'm going to be doing is creating a topiary, a pumpkin topiary that my inspiration came from one that I saw in Big Lots, and I'll insert a picture showing you my inspiration. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to let you know the items I'm going to be using. I found this little flower pot urn looking pot from the thrift store. It was $1. That's going to be my base. And I'll be using 3 of these foam pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. And I had some foam already. And I'll be using this dowel that I took off Mr. Scarecrow, Mrs. Scarecrow here. I purchased this from the Dollar Tree, so I just took it off the back of the Scarecrow. And I'm going to be using this maple bouquet and a few extra leaves if I need them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First thing I'm gonna do is just prep everything, and I'll be back. Okay, so of course, you know, a topiary, all 3 pumpkins gonna be stacked like so, but I'm gonna have to take these stems off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. Oh, that's easy. They were stuck on there with a toothpick. I thought I was gonna have to cut them out. So I'm gonna take the stem off 2 of them. There you go, and this will be the top. So I'm gonna cut my foam down to size and put it in the planter, and I'll do that off camera because I want you to have to hear all that noise. So I'll be back. Got it in there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and place the dowel in. And just add my pumpkins. One down, 2 to go. Sorry. That's number 2. Have to redo that middle one. Got to put it right in the middle so it can be straight. Okay. Yay! Got my topiary. Now we're gonna decorate it. After I add the leaves, I'll glue everything down. So we're gonna add some of these leaves in between each. I'm gonna add all the leaves first before I actually glue it. I'll be back. Okay, now we're just gonna decorate. Since I already have my holes, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Make it easier. So I'm gonna do a mixture of the red leaves and the green leaves. Also gonna add some of these berries, just like in the inspiration picture. I'm gonna kind of put these on the actual planter so they can kind of dangle. So let's see how that looks. Make sure it's straight before I glue it down. I'm not gonna put any leaves on the top. I mean on the, in between these two, because I'm gonna put some on the top. So on the inspirational picture, I think they have them, some on the top. If not, I'm still gonna put some on the top. This is it. I think it turned out cute. So I ended up taking the stem off the top to add these maple leaves and berries. So this is it, nice and cute. So I created this for $5. The planter was $1, each pumpkin was $1, and the maple leaves was $1. So I created this pumpkin topiary for $5. So that's it. Thank you, Sherri and Kristi, for hosting this seasonal challenge. If you want to see how Miss V displays this topiary, pumpkin topiary, come back on the 19th for the fall outdoor living space that's being hosted by Marilyn and Vology. And so this is it. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save some money. Oh, and before I leave, I have both these ladies' channels linked in the description box. I have the playlist in the description box. Go and get you something warm to drink. Well, maybe not warm because it's not cold yet, but get you something good to drink and check out the playlist, because the hosts, they are phenomenal. So I know the people that in the playlist are going to be phenomenal also. So this is it. I like the way my little topiary pumpkin turned out. So this is Miss V. As I was saying earlier, I'm always show you love and help you save some money. Thank you and have a nice day.